Hey friends, here is a short video showing how to resolve the recent deploy error in Heroku. First, you will have to open the repository of the bot. Here, I am using WhatsApp bot by Life00011. Go down to the README and click on the fork button. From there you will have to log into your GitHub account. Then select your account from the following. Now wait while the bot is forking to your account. After successfully forking, you will have to go down to the README and copy the link. Now open another tab. Paste the copied link in the search menu. Now, you will have to change Life00011 to your own GitHub user ID. After doing that, click Enter. Now, you will ask to log into your Heroku account. Log in with the proper details and proceed. All the work is done. Now you can easily enter all the details and deploy the bot without a problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing. Until next video, goodbye and take care.